in the camper. So we keep making small upgrades, stuff like that. We just added a mattress topper to the camper. You know, little hooks here and there. Everything's an evolution. But of course we have our Proformax carbon monoxide detector. Gotta have one of those. And we also have our Proformax smoke detector. Currently we got 50 degrees outside, 44% humidity, 63 inside, 36% humidity. But we're slowly getting there. Till next time, thanks for watching, and if you like, please like and subscribe.